Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Before watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Today I want to tell about a news of cryptocurrencies.
Bitcoin mining industry collapse. Analysis explain why crisis is really opportunity. Many BTC miners are in a touch spot a few could collapse, but experts say the industry is here to stay. Bitcoin mining inflows a declined balance between multiple moving parts. Miners already have to face capital and operational costs. Unique speed requires product shipping delay and unique speed regulation that can vary from country to country, and in the case of the United States, from state to state. One top update: they also had to connecting with Bitcoin pre-cryptos drop from 1,800 to 1,706,000. Despite BTC price being 16.5% down from its all-time high, the general consensus among miners is to keep calm and carry on by just taking steps. But that doesn't that does mean the market has reached a bottom just yet. In in a exclusive Bitcoin miner panel hosted by Cointelegraph, Luxor CEO Nick Hansen said, "There's going to definitely be a capital change in public listed campaign, or at least not even just public listed companies. There are probably close to 4 billion worth of new issues that need to be paid for as they come out, and that capital is no longer available." Hassan elaborated with, "Hedge fund blow up very quickly. I think miners are going to take 3 to 6 months to blow up. So who got good operation and who able to survive this low margin of improvement." When asked about future challenge and expectation for the Bitcoin mining industry, advisor Magdalena Gunnar said, "One of the biggest challenges that we have had in this transition to a low carbon economic and reducing emission has been an investment in technology and infrastructure by the public and private sector. What I think is really amazing about Bitcoin mining that is really presenting a completely novel way to fund or subsidy the development of energy or waste management infrastructure. And that why that beyond those traditional taxpayer or electricity payer pathway, because this way is based on a fairly elegant system of economy intensive. Will Bitcoin demonstrate the environment? As the panel discussion shifted to the environmental impact of BTC mining on widely had assumption that Bitcoin energy consumption is a threat to the planet. Blockware Solution Analysis Joe Burnett said, "I think Bitcoin mining is just not bad for the environment, period. I think if anything, it intensifies more energy production, it improves grid reliability and resilience, and I think with it will likely lower retail electricity rates in the long term." According to Burnett, Bitcoin mining is bound to produce cheap energy, and this is good for all of humanity. Regarding Bitcoin mining dominancy, the future of industry and whether or not growth of industrial mining could eventually lead to crypto mass adoption. Hacksworth CEO told said, "I believe that most of the mining down the road will be held in the Middle East and North America, and to some extent Asia, depending upon how much they are eventually able to cut up, and that really speaks to the available of natural resources and the cost of power. While it's easy to assume that growing synergy between big energy companies and Bitcoin mining would add fundability of BTC as investment asset and possibility facilitate in mass adoption, Hassan disagreed. Hassan said, "No, essentially not. But it is going to be thing that transfer everyone life where they know it not by saying that buyer of last resort and buyer on first resort for energy. It's going to transfer energy market and the way it is produced and consumed here in the US. And overall, it somewhat significantly improve the human condition over time. Don't miss the full interview on our YouTube channel and don't forget to subscribe.
Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you guys.